Welcome back to AutoMatrix. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the future of American luxury on wheels. Not just an RV, not just a motorhome. Something that blends bold design, advanced technology, and first-class comfort into one unstoppable presence. Now picture that vision wearing a Cadillac badge. This is the 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Motorhome, and it might just be the most luxurious RV America has ever seen. The moment the OBSIDIAN rolls into view, it doesn't look like a traditional motorhome. It looks like a futuristic luxury flagship that somehow grew into a full-scale mobile mansion. Cadillac's signature design language is unmistakable. Sharp vertical LED lighting slices down the front fascia. A massive illuminated grille commands attention with a glowing Cadillac crest at its center. The body is sculpted, clean, and confident. No unnecessary lines, no bulky RV styling. Instead, the OBSIDIAN feels like a concept vehicle that made it to production. From the front, the wide panoramic windshield flows seamlessly into the roofline, giving the driver an expansive view of the road. The hood is smooth and aerodynamic, subtly hinting at the power underneath. Every surface reflects Cadillac's modern design philosophy: strong, bold, and elegant. Move to the side, and the scale becomes clear. This is a full-length luxury motorhome with extended proportions, built on a reinforced heavy-duty platform engineered for stability and comfort. Massive premium alloy wheels fill the arches, giving it a planted stance that feels both powerful and refined. Large panoramic windows stretch along the body, tinted for privacy, yet designed to flood the interior with natural light. Hidden storage compartments are integrated cleanly into the lower body, maintaining the sleek look. At the rear, vertical LED taillights mirror the front design. A subtle light bar spans the width, creating a signature nighttime presence that is instantly recognizable. But design is only the beginning. Let's talk about what moves this luxury giant. The 2027 OBSIDIAN Motorhome is expected to feature an advanced hybrid powertrain. A twin-turbocharged V8 engine works in harmony with a high-output electric motor system, producing an estimated 800 horsepower combined. Yes, 800 horsepower in a motorhome. But this isn't about racing. It's about effortless movement. It's about having more than enough power at any moment. The electric motors provide instant torque at low speeds. That means smooth acceleration, especially when merging onto highways or climbing mountain roads. The V8 engine ensures long-range capability, allowing you to travel across states without constant stops. Cadillac has also integrated adaptive air suspension. The system automatically adjusts ride height depending on road conditions. On highways, the OBSIDIAN lowers slightly for improved aerodynamics and stability. On rough terrain, it raises to provide additional clearance. Rear axle steering technology reduces turning radius, making this massive motorhome surprisingly manageable in tight areas. Advanced driver assist systems handle much of the stress. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and collision mitigation all come standard. Driving the OBSIDIAN feels less like controlling a giant RV and more like commanding a luxury flagship SUV. Now, let's step inside. Open the powered entry door, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels closer to a penthouse than a motorhome. Soft premium leather wraps nearly every surface. Real wood trim runs along the walls. Brushed aluminum accents add a modern industrial touch. Ambient lighting flows across the ceiling and under cabinets, customizable to match your mood. The main lounge area is spacious and inviting. Plush reclining seats face a massive retractable 4K entertainment display. A premium surround sound system delivers theater-level audio quality. Large windows provide breathtaking views wherever you park. The flooring features high-end wood style finishes that feel warm and upscale. The entire space is designed to make long journeys feel relaxing, not exhausting. Move forward into the cockpit, and you'll see Cadillac's latest digital innovation. A massive curved OLED display stretches across the dashboard. It integrates driver information, navigation, vehicle, diagnostics, and entertainment into one seamless interface. Voice control and AI assistance allow you to adjust settings without taking your hands off the wheel. Climate control, lighting, even slide-out expansions can be managed digitally. Now let's explore the living space further. The kitchen inside the Obsidian is fully residential. You get a large smart refrigerator with freezer compartment, an induction cooktop built into a polished stone countertop, a convection oven, a microwave drawer, a deep stainless steel sink with modern faucet design. Storage is everywhere, cleverly hidden yet easily accessible. Soft, close cabinets ensure everything feels solid and premium. Across from the kitchen is a dining area with a retractable hardwood table and comfortable seating. It can transform into a workspace, making this motorhome perfect for remote professionals. Further back, you enter the master suite. This is where the Obsidian truly separates itself from ordinary RVs. A king-size bed sits centered against a padded feature wall. Integrated reading lights and subtle ambient strips create a calming atmosphere. Large windows on either side allow you to wake up with stunning views. Built-in wardrobes provide ample storage. A private entertainment display faces the bed. Every detail feels carefully designed. Connected to the master suite is a luxury bathroom that rivals high-end hotels. There's a separate glass-enclosed rainfall shower with premium fixtures. A modern smart toilet system, a floating vanity with LED mirror lighting, stone-style surfaces and brushed metal accents elevate the space. But Cadillac didn't stop there. The lounge area can convert into an additional sleeping space for guests. This ensures that the Obsidian is not just for couples, but for families or friends traveling together. Now let's talk about self-sufficiency. The roof features high-efficiency solar panels designed to charge a large onboard battery system. This allows the Obsidian to operate off-grid for extended periods. Climate systems, lighting, appliances, and entertainment can all run without external hookups. A smart power management system monitors energy usage in real time. Fresh water. Storage tanks and gray water management systems are seamlessly integrated into the chassis. Climate control is fully automatic, maintaining comfortable temperatures regardless of external conditions. When parked, the Obsidian expands. At the push of a button, slide-out sections extend to increase interior living space. The transformation is smooth and quiet. Suddenly, the already spacious interior feels even larger. Outside, a powered awning extends to create shaded outdoor space. An optional exterior entertainment system includes a fold-out screen and speakers for open-air movie nights. And then there's the rooftop. An available rooftop lounge package transforms the top of the motorhome into a private terrace. Comfortable seating, subtle lighting, and safety railings create a unique elevated relaxation space. Imagine parking near a lake, climbing up to your rooftop lounge, watching the sunset from above, surrounded by nothing but open sky. That's the lifestyle Cadillac is offering. Safety remains a top priority. The Obsidian includes 360-degree cameras, night vision, assist, heavy-duty braking systems, and reinforced structural engineering for maximum protection. Despite its size, cabin insulation keeps the ride incredibly quiet. The hybrid system allows near-silent low-speed movement, making campground arrivals peaceful. Production of the 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Motorhome is expected to be limited. This is not mass-market transportation. It's a flagship statement. Pricing is estimated to begin around $850,000. Fully customized versions with every luxury option could easily exceed $1 million. But for those who demand the best, the OBSIDIAN delivers something rare. It delivers freedom without compromise. It delivers luxury without limits. It delivers the ability to explore the country while bringing 5-star comfort with you. The 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Motorhome isn't just another RV. It's a bold declaration that American luxury can evolve, expand, and redefine what life on the road looks like. Powerful, elegant, advanced. This is Cadillac thinking beyond the IGE, driveway, and onto the open highway. And here at AutoMatrix, we believe this might be the future of high-end motorhome travel. The 2027 Cadillac OBSIDIAN Motorhome. Not just a vehicle, a moving masterpiece. Thanks for watching AutoMatrix.